Hello, my quilting friends. My name is Leah Day, and we are quilting pumpkins today. And I am making this extra special by quilting it twice. So the very first step is to quilt across the pumpkin mini stencil. This is a new design at leahday.com/mini stencil. And you stitch across from left to right. This is simple edge to edge quilting. And as you can see here, I'm stitching this in the border of my quilt, but you could also use this for edge to edge quilting across the middle of a quilt, across the whole thing, wherever you want it to go. You're going to stitch the left side of the pumpkin first, then you're going to swing around for the right side. And I really worked hard to make the stencil easy to follow. So as you're stitching around, if the line crosses itself, just remember that you're meant to keep going in the same direction. Don't make any crazy left turns or anything like that. Just keep on stitching in the direction that you're flowing, and you're going to go seamlessly from left to right. Once you finish one stencil, simply butt up the next one right next to it and keep on stitching. For me, I had 10 stencils down my border. It takes me about a minute to stitch each one. And no, I'm not speeding up this video, so this is real time. This is as fast as I stitch. I run my machine a little faster and I move my hands slower to create nice small stitches. And small stitches are really what you want because we have to tear the paper away. So really beat up that paper, give your quilt a good massage. That's going to help it to rip away easily. And then you're going to pull all the paper off. And then you're going to put the quilt back on the machine and quilt it again. Now notice that I switched feet here. I was quilting with my ruler foot, which is a great stationary foot, and it works great for quilting with the stencils because it gives you that stability and you really don't need extra visibility with the ruler foot attached and the stencils. But when I'm quilting with the lines and I'm needing to travel stitch or echo quilt more precisely, I needed more visibility. So I switched to this generic darning foot. You can find this on my website. You can also find a video on how to modify it so it works like mine in this video, where it's stationary, it doesn't hop, and it has an open toe. So definitely come and check out leahday.com/foot and you'll be able to find this foot and see my modification video. So this is freehand, free motion quilting here. Of course, we have the line that we're following, but we are basically making this up, and we can add extra little tendrils and extra little loops, anything that you're wanting to add. If you're wanting to add some pumpkin leaves, it is so much fun to stitch these up a notch. And another fun thing you can play with is thread color. So dark thread on the outside, light thread on the inside, same color thread twice. Totally up to you. I'm probably going to do another one with brown and yellow. I don't know. It's just so much fun to experiment and try new things. So come and check out the new pumpkin mini stencil at leahday.com/mini stencil. Until next time, let's go quilt.